Hey everyone, so today for my meal I'm making chicken, and I've put in the pot here, I've got half an onion. I cut up about a 2-inch piece of garlic and two cloves of garlic and like a 2-inch piece of ginger. So I'm just browning everything in here so that you can see. I took out 2 chicken breasts and I cut them into cubes. And then I had, some time ago, I had bought this bottle of this vindaloo paste. So you're supposed to use like half a bottle, but I don't because it's too strong for me. Like it's too chili hot. So what I do is I use it in quarters, just a quarter, because otherwise I can't eat the food, which is no point. And also with the salt, I try to cut back on the salt that I'm using. And I find food too salty now. If I put, like even yesterday I made cabbage, I just put in like a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and I found it too salty. So I'm going to add some salt now, but I'm going to use less. I'm just going to put in like this much. Normally I put in half a teaspoon of salt, but I'm finding the food too salty. And with the vindaloo, it's already got all the spices, so that's the good thing. You don't have to add any. And then I have these tomatoes, the sun-dried tomatoes. I'm going to put some of those in, just from this jar. If I can open it. I'll just put a teaspoon of that. But with the cabbage, it's not too bad, so I just added, I had some sauce that I had on the rice, so that kind of balanced it, and I didn't put too much salt in the rice, so it wasn't too bad. Otherwise, you have to throw the food out if it's too salty. So you can see now this is browned. You can see it's cooked through. And then I'm just going to add in the rest of this paste that I kept. So just like two tablespoons. And I'll keep the rest for another time. Because I can't eat food that's too spicy. Even though this is not supposed to be that spicy, it's quite hot. It's 3 chili hot. So then I'll just mix this up in here, and I'll leave it to cook for a while, and then I'll add some water to give it the gravy. But the juices will come out from the chicken. I just need it to cook for a little while. And the recipes are also on the bottle if you want to follow a recipe. It's on the bottle itself. So just turn this heat down. Add some water. And then I just let it cook. Maybe like 15 minutes, and then it's done.